Hello everyone, this is Akshoye from AstirMind Software Solutions. Today I am going to demonstrate my recently completed project, that is face swapping. Face swapping is a technique using which we can replace a one person face with another one. Like if I want to change face of any celebrity with mine or any another other person, I can do that with this. And before that, I am going to introduce my company AstirMind Software Solutions, which is dealing in IT and software services. If you want any service like website development, digital marketing, or app development, or any another in data science and machine learning, you can directly reach out us. This is our contact number, and you can also WhatsApp it by clicking this button. And now moving to our software, like this is basic UI of our software. If I select a face, like this is, this is Alia Bhatt, and another our target will be this photo. Yeah, she is Indira Gandhi, our prime minister, our ex-prime minister. If I want to see Alia Bhatt in Indira Gandhi's getup, then let's see how she looks like in this getup. Like if I click on start and it is asking for output, yeah, it's working, and here we will see our output. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, like that's how our software work. Thank you. If you want the code or any services from us, please reach out us.